Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is your guest Mamasagli channel. A faith eater, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is the monthly gabay for the month of May 2025 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy ay kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga gilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading naman gila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update kasi maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo nang hindi skip ng ads, saway pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik regleg na gumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating expert for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga gilap? Tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Just please give me information po. Okay, so this is something that's sign of happiness. So, some of you guys magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka na this time. No, mag-uumapaw ang kaligayahan nito. Mag-uumapaw din ang magandang kapalaran para sa iyo. And there's a Three of Swords, no, since something and heartbreak and heartbroken. Or some of you guys, no, may mga kumbaga emotional pain, no, parang may mga mararamdaman kang kirot or something like that na maaaring masasaktan ka, mabibigo ka from something disappointment lang naman. Na maaaring may mga bagay na ma-disappoint ka, but definitely there's a Seven of Cups, no, there's a lot of choices and of course multiple options, no, coming in for you. Na maraming opportunities na paparating kaya kailangan piliin ang tama at wasto. Now, there's an Eight of Pentacles, just focus sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Huwag kang magpapadistract na maaaring guguluhin ka na lahat ng mga pangyayari sa paligid mo, no, para mawala ka sa concentration. So, just being aware. And because there's something, the Five of Wands. So, Five of Wands in the upright, some of you guys, there's something complications, there's something negativities, no, may mga bagay dito na maaaring magbigay ng komplikasyon sa iyo. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming. No, may mga paglago at paglakas talaga ng finances dito. Na magiging maganda na at magiging maayos ang yung sitwasyon at kayong kalagayan. Na magiging masagana na ang iyong pamumuhay. There's a Ten of Cups to represent what? There is a High Priestess for something unexpected moment. No? May mga biglang magaganap dito na magdadala sa iyo ng kaligayahan. Na maaaring mag-fulfill lahat ang mga hinihiling mo. And there's a Six of Pentacles na maaaring magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. No? Ibig sabihin dito, may mga disappointment ka lang mararanasan. But definitely guys, ito yung isa sa bagay na ikatutuwa mo pa. You know why? Dahil kung naman yung mga bagay na ginawa sa iyo, babalik pa sa kanila yan. Diba? What goes around comes around, that brings you a balance. And there's a Justice. There's a Seven of Cups to represent guys with a Four of Wands. There's a something celebration coming in for you. Some of you guys na may homecoming, family gathering, something like that, na maaaring magdadala sa ito ng a wish fulfillment. Now, there's an Eight of Pentacles represented with a King of Cups. There's a devoted for the person na may taong sumusuporta at gumagabay sa dito. Let's see what is the Five of Wands. Represented with the King of Wands. Something and look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo titingnan yung magiging posibilidad. No, yung palalabasan ng action and decisions. No? Hindi ka pwedeng bira-birada, hindi ka pwedeng pala decision dito. No, tignan mo yung magiging outcome, tignan mo yung magiging kalalabasan dahil maaari magbigay ng komplikasyon sa iyo. What is the Nine of Pentacles? Represent with the Six of Swords with the transition. At unti-unti ka rin makakabangon for what? From financial crisis, for financial difficulties, no, maaring lalago na ang iyong finances. So what is the Ten of Pentacles? Because the High Priestess. There's a Temperance with a kalma. So, matuto kang kumalma. May mga bagay dito na hindi mo akalaing mangyayari. No? Hindi mo akalaing manggaganap. No? May mga bagay na parang ma-overwhelm ka. What is the Six of Pentacles? Because the Three of Swords. There's the Full card for a leap of faith. Now, may mga bagay din dito na sinusubukan na pananampalataya at tiwala mo dahil babaguhin talagang mundo ginagalawan mo. This is something a brand new you or brand new beginning. And at the same time, there's something that solves by choices. Pili mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong lang sa'yo. Alisin mo yung mga bagay na makakasira sa mga plano at pangarap mo. And there's a Ten of Swords universe, something no more sabotage, no? Wala na mga bagay na sasabotay at tatraidor sa'yo, kundi alam mo na yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin. Diba? So let's see what is the initial messages tayo with the Five of Wands. So of course, the King of Wands. Representing Kingman, there's something in your perspective. No, may mga bagay na kailangan baguhin mo yung pananaw mo, baguhin mo how to manage your situations. At the same time, guys, look at the bigger picture. Lagi mo tatandaan yung magiging posibilidad at magiging kalalabasan ng bawat action and decision. The Nine of Pentacles, because the Six of Swords represent what? Where is something the sun can read of your positive outcome. So see, ano man yung mga bagay na magaganap dahil itong bagay na to ay maaaring magbago ng landasin, magbago ng sitwasyon. Diba? Kumbaga, dadaling ka sa mas maliwanag at mas maayos na kalagayan. Kumalma ka. So let's see, what is the additional messages for the outcome? For the outcome, represented with the Four of Pentacles, for saving money, protection, at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Diba? At sinasabi dito, there's a something that of ka something moving forward na makaka-move on at makakalaya at makakawala ka rin. From what? From disappointment, from something failure. Now, there's something bounce back. May nasense ako na bounce back. May mga bagay na babalik sa kanila yung mga bagay na ginawa sa'yo. Or there's something that Nine of Pentacles with the security, maging secure ka pagdating sa finances. Pangalagaan, protectionan mo ito. What is the additional messages? So there's something, guys, with a high for lesson learned. Matuto ka na from the lessons. No, may mga bagay na kailangan mo pakakatandaan. No, na kailangan mo mag-focus sa ginagawa mo, madidistract at madidistract ka. What is the additional messages? Because guys, there is something, the Page of Swords, there is a spying looking, watching at you. Maraming sumusubaybay, maraming taong nakatingin sa'yo. Maraming mga taong tinitignan kung magtatagumpay ka ba sa ginagawa mo. And there's an Emperor. Be mature and be grounded. Huwag ka nagpapa-apekto. No, marunong kang dumedma, marunong kang kumalma, at marunong kang dumistansya. Ganon. So let's see what is the additional messages tayo. Pagdating naman tayo, guys, with finances and career. So let's see and watch this. Finances and career represent what? So there's an Nine of Cups and an offer. Now may offer dito, guys, na pagdating sa finances mo, there's something proposal, promotions. Pero kasi mukhang tataas ang salary mo, magkakaroon ka talaga dito ng higher salary or dadagdagan yung kita mo or even your source of income. Now this is something the Page of Wands, sabi ko na nga ba, may magandang balita. May magandang impormasyon na darating sa'yo. There is something of phone calls, messages, and fresh ideas. And there's a lot of a transaction and opportunity coming in. There's something magician. There's a desire into reality. Ano man yung mga bagay na hinahangad mo, maaaring makakamit mo yan at matatamo mo. Diba? And there's something that could have Pentacles. There's something good sense of this entrepreneur. How to manage and control your finances. So, ibig sabihin nito, marunong kang mag-control ng iyong pinaghirapan. That's good. And this is something the Four of Cups, just reevaluate and analyze. May mga bagay na kailangan mapag-isipan bago ka magtitake ng action and any decisions na pag-iisipang mabuti ng atwasto. Additional messages. Ericus represent, guys, with an Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. So mag-harvest ka at the end of the time. Ano man yung mga bagay na hinihintay mo, ano man yung mga bagay na gusto mo mangyari, makukuha mo to. Now at matatamo mo. What is the additional messages pagdating sa love life? Sa love life, there's a Death card. Now, there's something an ending in your beginning. May mga bagay na wawakasan na, may mga bagay na magsisimula na. No, babaguhin ang mundo mo, babaguhin ang sitwasyon mo, babaguhin ang relasyon mo. Diba? Kumbaga may mga bagay dito na maaaring unti-unti nang binabago kayo sa isa't isa. Diba? Kumbaga inuhubog kayo at mukhang binabago kayo para magkaroon ng brand new relationship, gano'n. Kumbaga marami kayong pagsubok na pinagdaanan at maaaring mag-uumapaw ang pag-ibig at pagmamahal. Diba? Mamumutangi sa lahat. And there's something that's Nine of Swords with a success driven at magtatagumpay kayo ng pabilis ng pabilis. Additional messages, so there's something, the Three of Cups, something celebration at unti-unti ka na makakaranas sa mga selebrasyon. And there's a Three of Pentacles with a collaborations, no? Makipag-usap ng ayos at wasto. There's a heart-to-heart conversations. And there's the World card na babaguhin ang mundong ginagalawan mo. No, magtatagumpay ka naman yung mga bagay na hinihintay mo ay maaaring makakamit mo. So let's see additional messages tayo pagdating sa kalusugan mo. Pagdating sa kalusugan, guys, there's something, the Queen of Cups, emotional killing. No, magiging kalmado at magiging maganda na ang iyong kalagayan at ang iyong kalusugan. And there's an Ace of Wands for something, a new project, new plans. And there's a Queen of Swords. Look at the bigger picture. Kumbaga, mas lalo mo na makikita yung magiging posibilidad at magiging maganda ng kalagayan mo at ang sitwasyon mo at ang kalusugan mo. And there's a Chariot with an action and movement, no? Magkakaroon na talaga ng pagbabago pagdating sa mga nararamdaman mo, no? Hindi ka na nag-i-stick for negativities. Alam mo na kung paano mo papakawala ng toxic and negative sa paligid mo. And there's a Six of Wands for victory is yours at magtatagumpay ka at magwawagi ka. And this is something the Empress card forever, ibabalik ang katawan lupa mo dito, maaaring mamakalin mo at tatanggapin mo yung sarili mo bilang ikaw, even your flaws. Diba? Ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka, just enhance your ability and polish your skills. And if you're also ability and knowledge, kumbaga mas lalo mo palaguin to. No? Kumbaga mahalin mo ang sarili mo, tanggapin mo yung sarili mo, mas i-develop mo yan. No? At kumbaga magiging maganda ang resulta na yan. So let's see what is additional messages. Pagdating naman tayo with the magical further messages, and there's a lot of advices, nandun din napapaloob with the yes or no questions, no? Diyan ka malalaman kung napanood mo ba hanggang sa huli. Dahil doon nyo makikita, no? Yung pwede kayo magkaroon ng questions, no? Pwede kayo mag-questions. And of course, may sagot daw with a yes or no. Pick a card with a 1 or 2 or 3. Pipili ka dun sa tatlo na yon kung ano yung magiging sagot sa tanong mo. Maghanda ka na dahil ito na. Let's watch this. With magical fairy messages represent what? With the magical fairy messages represent what? And there's a winter. Now, ngayong winter season, maaaring masagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. No, there course, your wishes granted, I told you so. Diba? Matutupad na naman yung mga bagay kahilingan. No, naman yung mga bagay pinapangarap maaaring maisakatuparan. There's a children, some of you guys, no? May mga tao kang tinutulungan. May mga bata kang maaaring malapit sa'yo, or either kumbaga, may mga anak ka, no? And of course, there's a spiritual teacher. Some of you guys, no, meron taong tumutulong gabay sa'yo, or merong albularyo na tumutulong sa'yo, or kailangan mo ng albularyo na tutulong sa'yo. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card represent what? There is a dealing with the Ace of Fire. So, you are dealing with the Ace of Fire. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. So, some of you Scorpio, no? Maring yung person mo is an Leo. Maring yung person mo is an Aries. Or yung person mo is an something is Sagittarius. So, there's something controlin mo yung bunganga mo, medyo pasmado ka. No? Medyo pasmado yung bungangay mo. No? Iwas-iwasan mo magsalita ng kung ano-ano. And this is something guys with a winter na revert, ibabalik ang katawan lupa mo dito. And this is something Sid, no, maaring ito na yung panahon na pagkakataon para umani ka na ng mga binhi na maaring ipinunla mo. No? And this is something guys with something, a stability and flow, dadaloy na ang magandang kapalaran sa'yo. So let's see what is the synchronicities represent what? A synchronicities represent with a change. No? Babaguhin. There's something butterfly, something of transformations. No, there's something solution. My goodness. There's something solution. A formula of yours. Na maaaring masusolusyon na matatapos na at malalaman mo na ang kahalagahan at mga bagay pasikot-sikot sa mundong ginagalawan. And because this is something with attraction, you are being attracted. Ibig sabihin, may swerte ka. Malakas ang charisma, malakas ang atake mo. And there's a rest. So, kailangan mo rin ng pahinga. Masyado ng pagod ang isip at utak mo sa lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. So, let's see what is a romance angel for a mystic love oracle deck. Represent what? Alamin naman natin ang kaganapan pagdating sa mystic love oracle deck. Pagdating sa relasyon, anong ganap mo? And this is something guys with an enemy. Watch your back. No? Ibig sabihin, may mga kalaban. No, may mga kalaban na nasa paligid mo lamang. No, malay mo na sa likod mo at nasa harapan mo pala. Ha? So, ibig sabihin, makiramdam, no? At busisiin ng maayos. And this is something proposal. Some of you magkakaroon ka ng proposal, engagement, higher level of commitment. And this is something guys, miracle and releasing unti-unti ng gumihilom. Ano man yung sugat na naging pilat ng nakaraan. Diba? Ito na, with the money matter, represent what? With a money power, represent with an alchemy. Now, there's something using with a witchcraft. Oh my goodness, a call and learning God's secrets. So, some of you guys, no, gumagamit dito ng something, a charm, something protections, na maaaring meron kang pampaakit, no, maaaring manggagamot ka, na maaaring gumagamit ka to transform your situation. Na ang galing mo, no, kayang-kaya mong paikutin, kayang-kaya mong baguhin yung sitwasyon mo. No, kayang-kaya mong baligtarin to. May mga daong gumagawa sa'yo. Some of you guys, ha, Scorpio na maaaring manggagamot, na maaaring nasa reading kita ngayon. Napapanood mo to, maaaring magaling kang humawak ng mga orasyon. Magaling kang magbali ng mga orasyon in fairness. No, at the same time guys, ha, mag-ingat lang po sa mga pagbibigkas ng mga orasyon, lalo-lalo na kung hindi ka po medium. No, lalo-lalo na sa mga bagay na binibigkas at mga binibitawan mo, na maaaring mag-impact to sa mag-reflect sa'yo, just being aware. No, ano man yung mga bagay na gagamitin mo, dapat sa kanan lamang ha. Huwag kang gagamit sa kaliwa, baka madehado ka sa sitwasyon na yan. So let's see what is an angel's number, represent what? And there is a 017. Now there's a belief system. Now may mga pinaniniwalaan ka sistema dito na kailangan mo ng baguhin. Go after what you want. So kailangan mo ng gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. You're blessed with a talent and skills that make it easy for you to stand out from the crowd. Embrace what make you different. That's your path to success. Your dreams will soon come true. So see, matutupad mo yung mga bagay pangarap mo dahil nasa palad mo na maisakatuparan nito. No, kayang-kaya mo talagang hatakin at kayang-kaya mong ipanalo yung laban na yan at magwawagi ka. So let's see what is the clarifying for life situation. For life situation, for clarifying, so let's see. And this is something crystal of clarity. Oh my goodness, nagniningning. No, hindi lang ginto ang nagnining at kumikintab. It's like a diamond. No? So, ibig sabihin dito guys, no, maaaring ibang-iba to dahil mas mahal pa to sa gold. Charis. Error kasi sa dito guys, no, illuminates your path with an openness and an insight to readying yourself for a newfound understanding of consent. So, see? Kumbaga, mas magliliwanag to, mas matutuklasan mo sa sarili mo yung mga maliwanag na patutunguhan sa buhay mo. No, ngayon, unti-unti mo na natutuklasan ng katangian, kakayanan, kaalaman na maaaring magbukas sa iyong isipan at sa iyong mga mata na hindi mo pala akalain na mayroon ka palang ganung kakayanan at ganung kaalaman. Oh, gamitin ng wasto at tama na hindi ka maliligaw sa hindi magandang landasin. So, let's see what is clarifying for love situation. No, ito na guys. Alamin naman natin yan anong ganap mo pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Clarifying for love situation. And there is an inner compass. No? Trust your instinct to lead you in the right direction. See? Kumbaga magtiwala ka sa vision and intuition and instinct mo. Dahil hindi ka ililigaw nito. No? May sarili kang spiritual path. Ibig sabihin nito guys, kumbaga sarili mo tong madidiscover. No? At unti-unti mo matutuklasan sa sarili mo. Pamamaraan. Ganon. No? Kumbaga, hindi ka ililigaw nito, dadaan ka sa tamang direksyon at tamang kalalagyan. And this is something that shadow works. Let's see what is additional messages. And this is something, a journey inwards, no? Talagang ibinabahagi sa iyo dito na maaring magpatuloy ka na mas maliwanag at mas maayos at makakarating ka sa tuktok ng gusto mong mangyari. Introspection and growth. The path of enlightenment start with you. Na magsisimula sa iyo, no? Ang magsisimula sa iyo ang magsisilbing liwanag, no? Ikaw yung magiging daan para sa kanila para matuklasan yung mas maayos at magandang kahihinatnan sa buhay na tinatahak nila. No, some of you guys, no, maaaring maestra ka, maaaring you are also a mentor professor, teacher, or guardian. So let's see what lies with a hidden feature. Pero kasi sinasabi dito, there's something, check yourself, no? Kailangan mo pa rin titignan yung sarili mo. Hindi porket tumutulong ka at hindi porket may kakayanan ka ay hindi mo hindi mo sinusubaybay yung sarili mo. Dapat tinitignan mo pa rin kung anong kalagayan mo na. No? Dahil mamaya pala, kumbaga nakakatulong ka sa iba pero hindi mo na pala alam na nalalason ka na pala. So there's something part of the light, hanapin natin ng eksena mo na magsisilbing liwanag sa lahat. And because this is something with the sun, huwag kang mag-alala. No, may liwanag na sisinag at makikita mo at matutuklasan mo ang bagong simula at pag-asa. I am nourished by the boundless energy of the sun which each passing day the light with me grow brighter, infusing me with the strength and vanity. No? Vitality, sorry. There is a strength and vitality. No, talagang binibigyan ka ng mas malakas na pangangatawan na mas matalinong pamamaraan sa lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. No, nandito na yung parang right path. No, there's a something right path or something a spiritual path. No, na parang magliliwanag lahat ng daan mo tungo dyan sa gusto mong mangyari. So let's say ito nang ganap. No, pag-isip ka na ng questions mo, pumili ka with a yes or no, pick a card. 1, 2, or 3. So start na tayo with the number 1. With the number 1, guys, there's a no. No, image this fourth just obscure. No, ibig sabihin nito, guys, no, kumbaga hindi lahat na nakikita mo ay mas maliwanag. Hindi lahat na nakikita mo ay maayos. No, ibig sabihin nito, i-analyze mo, i-visualize mo. Dahil may mga nakikita ko ditong bulong na hindi naman tama. May mga bulong dito na hindi pala totoo at hindi pala kumagagabay mo. Mag-ingat ka ha. Dapat marunong kang lisanin, marunong kang durugin yung negative or evil or devil. No? And this is something, guys, with a no again. Hidden dangers is stillness, proceed with a caution. See? May mga paalala dito, may mga babala na mag-ingat ka sa bawat desisyon or gagawin mo. Dahil may misteryo dyan sa likod niyan. No? Meron niyang patibong na nakikita ko dito na kailangan maging aware ka. And there's a yes with the number 3. Reap for the picking, perfect timing, get ready. So see, ito na hinihintay mo. No, aani ka sa mga bagay na itinanim mo at mas malusog at mas maganda at mas matamis pa to sa anumang uri ng prutas na itinanim at pinunla mo. Ito na yon. No, fruit of flavor. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of May 2025 for the sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading naman, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos. Because maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo. Nang just at may kapalisiksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. And babush.